Today, I will show you how to make this type of morph animation in Canva. Go to canva.com. Click on the video. Select the landscape video. Go to Elements and search for any city name you want. Adjust the size. Take a text and write the place name. Make the text any style you want. Select any font for the text. I'm using Montserrat. Select the background image and duplicate it. Remove the background. Now, duplicate the page. Select the text by pressing Ctrl key to click on the text layer. Drag it to the bottom of the page so that it is not visible. Duplicate the page. Drag the page to the first. Select all the layers by pressing Ctrl key plus the A key. Make it a little bigger. Take a text and write the details about the place. Transform the text into any style you want. Now click here and select the match and move transition. Duration 0.6 seconds. Apply between all pages. Page timing will be 2 seconds and apply it to all pages. Here is the final result. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future updates.